Hello students, now we will learn about different modifications in adventitious roots. For different functions, different types of modifications have been raised in adventitious roots. First, we will see there are different types, nearly 6 to 7 types of modifications are there. First one, for mechanical support. Under mechanical support, roots have been modified into prop roots. In case of banyan tree, if you see, this is the earth layer, and banyan tree, if it is like this, some types of roots, big roots are developed from the main plant which are touching the soil. Like this. These are raised from the branches and they give support to the total plant. Plant is very big, and later when they need means they get sufficient nutrients and minerals, they again will be grown into new plant like this. Again they will be grown into new plant. So such types of roots are called prop roots. So prop roots are seen in case of banyan tree. Banyan tree, you know that it is very big plant. So roots arise from nodes of branches. They grow towards the earth layers. Second type of mechanically supporting adventitious roots are stilt roots. Stilt root is the characteristic feature of mostly monocots, seen in monocots. Still we will write some of the examples like maize, sugarcane, pandanus, etc. Here in case of stilt root, if you take this one as stem, these are the nodes and this is the earth layer. Roots will be developed from the node region and they will develop like this. They will be grown slantly towards the earth layers, gives grip and support to the stem from falling to either side. Their growth will be like this. They are giving mechanically support to the stem, as the stem of monocots is very weak. These stilt roots support the plant from falling either side. Stilt roots arise from nodes of stem. Next, in case of clinging roots, some stems are very weak. Those stems are given support by adventitious roots which are cling on to the support. Roots arise from nodes of weak stem and clings onto support. So examples we can see in case of pothos, which is money plant we call, and piper beetle also. Next, so we'll draw that. If this is the stem of a money plant, we can see nodes and internodes. One side the leaf arises, other side roots arises, clinging roots. In case of pothos, we can take that example. Other types of examples. Buttressing roots. Fourth type. Here example is Ficus religiosa. So here what happens? Main adventitious roots develop from base part of the stem. They are very much big that The plant is also very big. Ficus religiosa is a very big plant. And here, these roots will be growing on the just sub-earth layers, and it will come on to the earth layer, and it will be like a chair also. Means that much big roots will be there, giving support to the huge plant. Roots arise from base of stem and are very huge. For suppose, if this is the plant, this is the earth layer, roots are arranged like this. And again they go into the earth layers like this. Main root will be like this. So these are buttressing roots. Next, other type of root modifications are, so second one, first one mechanically supporting, second one photosynthetic roots. Or we also give a term like assimilatory roots. Some green structures which are root-like, they develop from the root part which are green in color. For suppose, if this is the earth layer and this is the root structure, green color structures develop from the uppermost part of the roots, and here these are called green roots, which are also termed as heptera. So such type of photosynthetic roots are seen in case of, examples are important here. Example, Podosemon, Trapa and Tinospora is storage root. In case of taproot, we have seen other types of storage roots like fusiform, napiform, etc., conical form. But here, storage root modifications of adventitious roots is only tuberous roots. There in case of taproot, we have seen tuberous root example as a 4 o'clock plant, but here it is different. Here tuberous root under adventitious roots is Ipomea batatas, that is sweet potato. Sweet potato. They are grown in a bunch like, so we also give a term like they are fasciculated roots. This is the earth layer. They are grown in bunch like. They are also vegetatively reproductive in function. So we also can say they are storage and reproductive. Both in functions. They store the food material and they are also reproductive in function. They arise from the stem, means at the node region of the plant. Next, another type of adventitious root modification is moniliform or beaded like, that is seen in case of Mimosa pudica. So fourth variety we can say moniliform or beaded like. Example, Mimosa pudica. These are also storing the food material. How does this moniliform or beaded like roots are looking like? They look like this. They look like this. So these are moniliform. So each one is just like a bead. When we see from the outermost or external region, they appear like this.